Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 9 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 math, and then click on the lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter exponents. The lessons we're going to cover today are exponents with decimals and fractional bases, exponents with integer bases, multiplication with exponents, and negative exponents. Here I'm on grade 9 math. The chapter we are on right now is exponents. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is exponents with decimals and evaluate 2 by 3 whole cube. So that means 3 is the exponent of the whole 2 by 3, right? So you need to multiply 2 by 3 three times. So you have to do 2 by 3 times 2 by 3 times 2 by 3. So you have to do 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 3 times 3 times 3. So the correct option is 8 over 27. Let's just start with the test questions. 0.1 exponent 4. So that means you need to multiply 0.1 both sides. So that is 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1 times 0.1. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. 0.2 exponent 2. So which is the correct option? So you have to do 0.2 times 0.2. So which is the correct option? That is 0.04. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 0.01 exponent 4. So which is the correct option? So option number, let me just count the decimal spaces. I think option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 0.2 exponent 4. So which is the correct option? That is the second one. That is 0.016 is the correct option. The next one is 0.1 exponent 3. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is exponents with integer basis. Let's just start with the next lesson. So 4 square. 4 is the base and 2 is the exponent, right? So exponents are used to write repeated multiplication. 4 times 2 means you have to multiply 4 2 times. So that is 4 times 4. Yes, you have to do 4 times 4, so 16 it is. Let's just start with the test questions. That is 3 square. So which is the correct option? That is 3 square, right? You have to do 3 times 3, that is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Two times 2. The correct option is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, evaluate 4 square. So which is the correct option? You have to do 4 times 4. So the correct option is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 27. The next one is 10 square. So which is the correct option? That is 100. The correct option is option number 1. 100 it is. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. The next one is 4 exponent. So which is the correct option? 64 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is multiplication with exponents. Let's just start with the next lesson. Simplify c exponent 4 times c exponent 9. So how do we multiply the powers? The bases are same. You can see they both have the base c, right? So their exponents are added. You have to do 9 plus 4. So the correct option is c exponent 13. Let's just start with the test questions. So the bases are same. You are going to add the exponents. The first one is f exponent 7 times f exponent 3. So which is the correct option? The bases are same, so you need to add their exponents. So that would be 7 plus 3 is 10. The correct option is F exponent 10. Okay, simplify W exponent 8 times W exponent 3, which is the correct option. That is W exponent 11. Option number 1 is the correct option. Simplify R exponent 2 times R exponent 4, which is the correct option. That is option number 2 is the correct option, right? They have the same basis, so you need to add their exponent, that is R6. The next one is simplify J exponent 9 times J exponent 4, so which is the correct option? So that is F J exponent 13. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is simplify J exponent 5 times J exponent 5, so which is the correct option? That is J exponent 10. They have the same basis, so you need to add their exponents. Simplify K equal K exponent 3 times K exponent 6. K exponent 9 is the correct option. G exponent 9 times G exponent 3, which is the correct option. That is G exponent 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. J exponent 4 times J exponent 6, so which is the correct option? That is J exponent 10, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is negative exponents. Let's just start with the next lesson. 2 exponent, write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. Do not evaluate. So you don't have to evaluate, right? 2 exponent negative 51. So when we have a negative exponent, we turn it into a fraction with numerator of 4 and a positive exponent in the denominator. For example, you have something like this a exponent negative n, right? You can make it positive by writing it in denominator and numerator as 1. So same way 2 exponent negative 51 equals 1 divided by 2 exponent 51. Let's just start with the test questions. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. Do not evaluate. So you need to write it with a negative exponent. 1 over 21 exponent 52. So it would be the correct option is option number 121 exponent negative 52 is the correct option. Write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. So which is the correct option? So you can make it positive by writing it in denominator and 1 is a numerator. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 over 4 exponent 8. Write the expression as a whole number with a negative exponent. So which is the correct option? That is 59 exponent negative 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write the expression as a fraction with a positive exponent. So which is the correct option? 76 exponent negative 13. So which is the correct option? That is 76 divided by 17, 6 exponent 13, right? Write the expression as a fraction with positive exponent. So 5 exponent negative 27, which is the correct option? That would be option number 2. You can write it as 1 divided by 5 exponent 27. Option number 2 is the correct option. You can write it as 1 divided by 4 exponent 9. So which is equal to 1 divided by 48 exponent 40. So which is the correct option? That is option number B is the correct option. That is 48 exponent negative 40. Write the expression as fraction with positive exponent. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 over 18 exponent 79. That is option number B is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 9 math. The chapter we were working on is exponents. The lessons we have covered today are exponents with decimals and fractional bases, exponents with integer bases, multiplication with exponents, and negative exponents. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.